Who wants a house tour? I've got a great one for you. This is Stacey Carnes-Stricker at United Country OK Sunset Realty and Auctions. Guys, I'm going to really take my time, so stay through the end because you're going to want to see this backyard and country views. We are in town on a cul-de-sac, but when you get to the backyard, you don't feel like you're in town. But here's the front. You have a carport over here. Look at all these trees. You have a flagpole. We just don't have a flag on it yet. We have a carport over here, another carport. I'm going to give you a whole tour, but just wanted to show you the front. And it's just so cute. And I love this little cul-de-sac. Oh, look how cute. The entrance. Come up the walkway to the house. Let's go inside. So here we are inside. This house is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, has 2 living rooms. So when you come in, look at this cute living area. They have a TV set up in both rooms. You have options here. Let me swing you around. So that's the entrance, coat closet right there. So nice and spacious. And then when you come back through, this is nice and open. So you have dining, living, and kitchen. So definitely your open concept if you like to entertain, or you just want to talk to someone else in the house while you're cooking in your kitchen, you can definitely do that. So over here, refrigerator. You could do like a cute coffee station if you wanted to. There's so much space in here that you could add more things if you needed to. Newer windows in this house, you guys. Newer HVAC. Look at the country views. We'll go out there in a little bit. Love it. Laundry room right over here. I missed a light. Extra storage. And in this closet here, you have your furnace. Going back this way, again, dining room. And then this closet here, guys, this is humongous. You can never have too much. So they're doubling this as their pantry. It's always a light switch game. Pantry, vacuums, whatever. Plenty of room. Who doesn't love the storage in their house? You do have a wood burning fireplace, and this is a really good sized living room. Plantation shutters here. Guys, and if you're not from Oklahoma and you're not familiar with these type of fireplaces, these put out some heat. They are fantastic. You can pack these things with wood and it stays shut. You don't have to worry about sparks coming out. It's great. Then in here, they've made this like their entertainment center area, and then a little bar area. Looks great. I love that inset. And then this side door, you have another carport over here, so you can enter this way on the side when you park over there, or you can come in through the front. So that's nice. Shingles were replaced a couple of years ago, so there's been some major updates to the house. Costly updates, let's put it that way. I think I told you in the laundry room that was the furnace. Sorry, that was the water heater. Furnace is in here. This is one of those costly updates that have been done in the last few years. So down at this end, we have our bedrooms and bathroom. So over here, we have our full guest bathroom with double sinks. Lots of mirrors. Bathtub shower combination. Then we go this way. To the right is our first bedroom. They're using this as like craft room, office. Good size room. Let me show you closets. Closets are a good size. And they go back, they're deep. Nice and bright. Then we have good linen storage here. And this is big too. Let me step back so you can see it. Look, they're pretty tidy too. Sometimes I want to cringe when I open up closets. not with this group. Okay, second bedroom. And then these windows, you've got the arched windows in the front. Good size room. Let me scoot back so you can see. Now these two guest rooms, they're about the same size. And then over here, we have our primary bedroom. And it's a good size too, because you've got a big bed in here. Closet over here. Actually, you have two closets in this bedroom. And then you have a 3/4 bathroom in here. So again, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2 living rooms. We'll go back through. Love the arched windows. Again, the windows are newer. Let's go. I love these doors. Out to the back. And you can definitely see like whitetail out here at night. So backyard, this is set up for a garden area right here. They haven't put one in this year, obviously, since they're relocating. You have a storm shelter, as you can see right here. If you're not familiar with Sayre, we have alleys and our trash service. We have dumpsters and it's picked up in the alley. So that's super convenient where you don't have to roll out trash cans. So this is the designated alley, and that would be the dumpster. Look at these views. Aren't they great? So let me pan you around. This is the back of the house. So here is one of the carports. Look at all these trees. Some extra rock for a project that would stay. Your back patio. Love the trees. A storage building over here. If you go hunting, you can come hang up your deer, clean it up here. That's pretty handy. Okay, so we have another small carport lean-to here off of this building. As you can tell, they put their lawnmower here. I mean, tons of storage inside and out. This is on the side of the house. We've had quite a bit of rain here lately, so everything's nice and green. An old windmill. And then here is another carport. Another storage building. So this is the side front part of the house. So you can enter this carport from the front. Here we are back at the front. Views. There's a neighbor there. This neighbor has a really large lot too, so you don't have people right on top of you even though you're in town. Neighbor there. And again, this is all, this road right here, this is all alley. So you wouldn't have traffic back here. Storage. Another dumpster. So it's a great house. Let me show you more of the front. And this is, again, in Sayre, 502 Enterprise. Another little windmill, decorative. Here's your street view. Front of the house. Nice large driveway. What's nice about this back carport is you can pull through here and go back through the alley if you need to and down that street. And then this carport, this was the side door I was saying that can take you into the living room. So if you'd like to see this house in person, I'd love to show it to you. 502 Enterprise.